A 17-year-old student is studying cell division. She learns that histones must be synthesized to package the DNA during replication. In which phase of the cell cycle does this primarily occur? A. G0 phase. B. G1 phase C. S phase. D. G2 phase. E. Correct answer. Explanation: DNA replication occurs during the S phase, and to package newly synthesized DNA, histones are also synthesized in this phase. Question 2. Euchromatin and gene activity. Which of the following chromatin states is associated with active transcription and histone acetylation? A. Heterochromatin. B. Euchromatin. C. Mitochondrial DNA, supercoiled metaphase chromosome, E. Histone methylation regions. Correct answer: B. Euchromatin. Explanation: euchromatin is less condensed, transcriptionally active, and associated with histone acetylation, which loosens chromatin structure to facilitate gene expression. Question 3. Role of H1 histone. What is the primary role of the H1 histone protein in chromatin structure? A. It is part of the histone octamer in nucleosomes. B. It directly participates in DNA replication. C. It facilitates histone acetylation. D. It binds linker DNA to stabilize the chromatin fiber. E. It degrades damaged DNA. Correct answer: D. It binds linker DNA to stabilize the chromatin fiber. Explanation: H1 is the linker histone. It binds to the nucleosome and the linker DNA between nucleosomes to help package chromatin into higher order structures. Question 4. Nucleosome composition. Which of the following best describes the protein composition of a nucleosome core particle? A. One copy each of H1, H2A, H2B, H3, and H4. B. Two copies each of H2A, H3, and H4. C. Two copies each of H1, H2A, and H2B. D. Four copies each of H3 and H4. E. A single large histone complex plus DNA polymerase. Correct answer: B. Two copies each of H2A, H2B, H3, and H4. Explanation: the nucleosome core consists of 8 histone proteins, 2 each of H2A, H2B, H3, and H4. DNA wraps around this structure. Question 5. Heterochromatin properties. Which of the following best describes heterochromatin? A. Loosely packed and transcriptionally active. B. Associated with histone acetylation. C. Condensed and transcriptionally inactive. D. Found only in mitochondria. E. Enriched with ribosomal genes. Correct answer: C. Condensed and transcriptionally inactive. Explanation: heterochromatin is highly condensed and transcriptionally silent. It is often associated with histone deacetylation, which represses gene expression. This